Good day, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Richelle Novenario. I am 38 years old. I am from Nagcarlan, Laguna, Philippines. I am married, blessed with 2 sons. I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and I am the third in the family. I am a Christian and I am a high school graduate. I have 4 years working experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid, serving with 4 members in the family, which include 1 elderly, 2 adult, and 1 child. My duties are taking care of the child, sending and pick up him at school, cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, washing the dishes, and assisting elderly. To my future employer, I am a hardworking person. I am honest, patient, caring, trustworthy, flexible, and pet lover. If you hire me, Ma'am and Sir, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow your rules and regulations, and I will finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. God bless.